This video is about updating the operating system on your MacBook. Keeping your MacBook up to date will help keep technical issues to a minimum. We'll look at two different ways that you can update your MacBook. The first way is by going to System Preferences, then clicking Software Update, then click Update Now. The second way is by going to SelfService, scrolling down to Software Update, then clicking Update. This process may take a few minutes before it's finished downloading. When it does finish, you should see a pop-up about restarting your computer. To restart your MacBook, click the app on the top left corner, click Restart, then click Restart again. While your computer is updating, you may see messages like these. After restart, you'll notice if I go back to System Preferences, then click on Software Update, it will tell me that my MacBook is now up to date.